And welcome to Module 2, Chapter 1, How to Use and Maintain the Overlock in the Petals course. This guide is for Singer 81K machines, check with WSV for others. We'll cover setup, threading, usage, adjustments, and maintenance to prepare you for the quiz. Start by attaching the thread holder. It screws into the back. For threading, use colors, yellow, red, green. Place threads on the floor, run through holder loops. For green, open front cover, pass through tension discs, pull tight, adjust knob, leave 5 cm free. Yellow, open door, thread through hole, discs, tunnel, arm, hook, use slit, leave free. Red, thread needle eye, leave free. Test by turning wheel clockwise, pull threads with tweezers. When using, turn clockwise only. Practice, manual treadle anti-clockwise first, then without cloth, straight edges without slash with blade, bags, rounds, pre-cut pads, circles, uncut pads. Adjust stitch length, needle high, loosen screw, raise for long slash lower for short, tighten. Change knives, flip cover, untighten upper screw, remove, untighten lower, remove. Maintenance, oil marked points 3x daily until leaks, plus joints. First use oil, turn 10x, wait 2 to 3 hours, re-oil. Troubleshoot, bunching rethread, uneven adjust tension slash fabric, unthreading, leave hanging, moving fabric, lower foot, breaking tension slash threading slash quality, irregular cutting, align slash replace knives, no pull, breaking needles size, no pull, insert, missing stitches, new needle slash size, rethread, same threads, not moving, increase foot pressure, loops slash stretches slash gathers, adjust tension slash foot. Review the handbook for visuals, practice safely, and take the quiz. You're ready to produce quality pads.